Hello everybody and welcome to the 8th exercise of this class. As you can see from the video, we are going to talk about black and white or monochrome photography, but black and white is usually the most common kind of monochrome photography. So, black and white. As Ted Grant said, when you photograph people in color, you photograph their clothes. But when you photograph people in black and white, you photograph their souls. And that is true, not only for people, but also for other kind of subjects. It's easy to use colors to communicate. I give you an example. The classic pictures of a person, girl, gray day, rain coming down on the street, and there's the nice girl with the red or yellow umbrella walking. It's very easy to do. No matter how is the composition, no matter what's in the picture, your eyes will always go to the umbrella because it's a bright color. Try to do the same in black and white, and you will notice that you will have to really be careful about the composition, be careful about what is inside the picture, and all the details. So when you photograph in black and white, it's much easier to get the essence of the subject, because if you don't get the essence of the subject, usually the picture is not a good one. Black and white is kind of easy and difficult at the same time. First of all, the exercise is to obviously take pictures in black and white, and your camera, your digital camera right now has an option usually that you can set up the black and white on the camera. So when you take the pictures, the JPEG that comes out is in black and white. That can be a good option because you will have your electronic viewfinder or display that will show you the world in black and white. And that can be a good starting point. So you can go around and explore the world around you with the camera set on black and white. And that can train you to look for the right things. The best things I think after you did that is to just use your optical viewfinder or use the exercise we did before covering the LCD and just look with your eyes for subjects in black and white. Look with your pre-visualization cardboard for a subject that is good for black and white. And to do that, you must understand that with black and white, without the color information, what is essential in an image are the shapes, how the light interacts with the surfaces, and you will see if the lights come, some patterns can be created. You will see that textures need the light on it in a specific way. So that's important. Composition will be essential because if you take pictures in black and white, there are no colors trying to get out and get your attention. So composition will be essential. The subject will always need to be in the perfect place in the image to attract your eyes. So black and white really is something that is teaching us how to be more careful when we take pictures, how to know the light and how to explore the way the light interacts with the subject. Another example, I suggested you to take the pictures of a lemon in a previous exercise. Imagine to take the pictures of a lemon instead of color in black and white, and try to do something like that. And a slice of lemon. What is the difference between a slice of lemon and a slice of oranges, of an orange, for example? So look at that, analyze that, and try to express, to create a photograph that in black and white will tell you this is a slice of a lemon, not an orange. So This is the kind of exercise you have to do. Switch your camera to black and white, or switch your mind to black and white, and start for a day to only take pictures in black and white. And the important thing is taking the pictures in black and white, because a very bad habit of the digital is we take 1,000 pictures and all of them in colors, and at a certain point is this can look good in black and white, so, and in post-production push a button and you see the image in black and white. This is not the right approach. If you want to photograph black and white, that must be before in your mind. Your pre-visualization must be black and white, and this exercise works only if you are honest with yourself and you pre-visualize in black and white. You look for images in black and white, and you don't do in color and then just turn in black and white in post-processing. So do the exercise as usual. Please share it on the project page, and let's talk about it so this class can go on beyond the limit of the video. Thank you very much. See you next time.